Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of 4th of July, I thought it'd be fun today to show you guys how to draw a 4th of July Highland cow. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 4th of July Highland cow, let's begin with some sunglasses. So let's start right here and let's draw a line across for the top of our sunglasses. Then we're going to go down, over, and up, and then down, over, and up like this. Next, inside of here, I'm just going to make a couple little diagonal lines, just so we have a little bit of like reflection in there. Now let's work on the nose. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to kind of come up. I'm going to go over and down. Then I'm going to go down, up, and then back down and up. Then I'm going to go down, over, and then up. Let's make a little black dot inside each one. Then starting here on the side, I'm just going to make a couple little points, and then we'll do the same thing here. Just kind of make a couple little points that just kind of come up and down and then bring it in a little bit. Then we can make a few little points underneath here. Now starting here, I'm going to go out, and then I'm going to kind of come up with a couple points. And I'm going to do that same thing, just kind of make some points and just go down. And then I'm just going to make a few points in some different spots like this. For the horns, let's make a line that's going to come up and back down. Same thing here, we'll just kind of come up to a little bit of a rounded point and come back down. For the ears, let's just go out, make a couple points and bring it in. Same thing here, just kind of go down like this and out, a few points and bring it in. We can make a curve and a line, and a curve and a line for some detail. Next, starting here, let's just make a little line that's going to go down and then up for like a little bandana. And then let's make some lines across here. Next, for the body, let's make some little points for some fur. We're going to make this go across and up. And then over here, I'm going to make some points that go out like this. We'll make a zigzag, and then we're going to bring them in. Then I'm going to make a little zigzag line that comes down. I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up for the hoof. And then we'll go over, down, and in for this hoof. Then we're going to make some lines that go out and in, and then same thing here, kind of down and in. Little line's going to go down, over, and up, down, and then we'll just go over to here. Next, for the tail, let's come up and bring it back. Then we'll kind of curve this with a couple points on here. Next, starting here, let's make a nice straight line. We'll make come over, down, and then back over. We'll put a circle on top. Then we'll make two wavy lines and connect them for a flag. We'll make a little square shape here. And then a couple little wavy lines right here. Up here on top, let's make a line that's going to go over. We're going to come across and then down. Then we're going to go up, over, and then down here. We'll make a line across, and then we'll put some lines coming up and down for some stripes. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Highland cow for the 4th of July. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.